Avalon, how you doing? Let's get started looking at your business card. So the main thing I see at the business card is that you're using a bold typeface, and I would recommend not doing that. Bold type kind of is synonymous with a louder voice, and that would be synonymous of kind of yelling this information to the viewer instead of gently delivering it. So I always recommend that in a business card you don't use a bold typeface. Another thing I see here is a little bit of alignment issues. So right now we've got the name of the contact here, and it's separated from the rest of the contact information. So basically what we have here are 3 visual stops in your business card: 1, 2, and 3. We can change that. We can streamline that down to 2 visual stops simply by taking this information and aligning it with this information here. So we'll take this type, we'll reduce the size, get it a little bit closer to this, and we'll compose this person's name somewhere like, whoops, let's get that back there, and then we'll just compose this person's name something like this, name and contact information like that. Leave that area of the card nice and clean, activating in the negative space. So we'll put Vivimus Integer here, and then we'll put his contact information here. And you can use the same type size here without that bold type, and you can use the same type there. I think it's fine if you use that other blue color to signify the title and the email address, but about like that, separate it a little bit from the rest of the contact information, just to let the viewer know that that's something different than this, okay? So basically, not too far though, because you want this to be considered the same group, all right? Then my other suggestion here is, well, that's it, really. I think that's it. I think that will really, really bring this business card to a really streamlined visual, add some visual attributes, activating the negative space and grouping things accordingly, and I think that will really make a lot of sense, okay? Let's move to the letterhead. Now, letterhead, let's see, you got your contact information on the bottom of the letterhead. That's great. I think letterhead looks fantastic. Very, very versatile. You'll, be able to use this entire area of the letterhead. So that's good. Then the envelope. Envelope looks great as well. And then you have your contact information on the back. So that's fantastic. All right, I think it's done a great job. So I would just make those little minor changes, nothing major at all. It's really minor changes, mostly with the business card. And then I just want to draw your attention to one other thing here, over here in our course homepage. Take a look at this announcement. Right here, how to complete milestone 6 final submission. There's a video here too. It's not very long, but it really describes in detail what you need to do for your final submission for milestone 6. And that is to create a couple more stationary systems. So I don't want that to sneak up on you, so I made this video so you guys have a little bit of time today and tomorrow to get this submitted by tomorrow night, by midnight, so which is the end of the last day to submit. So please take a look at this moving into final submission. And if you have any questions, let me know. All right, great job. Thank you very much.